Hey guys, today we are reviewing this chair. We're going to go ahead and take everything out, show you guys how many pieces it comes, and let you guys know how hard it is and what it looks like when it's done. Alright, it comes in two pieces. You got your head piece and back piece and your main piece. What you're going to do is you're going to place these little discs down like this, and then you're going to go ahead and thread in the legs. Just twist it until it's tight. Really easy so far. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this back piece here and you're just gonna slide it. So you're gonna lift this piece up. You're gonna slide the brackets down right in here. It is really easy, really simple to do. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this piece on just to show you guys. Lift this up, line up the bracket. You'll hear a click, pull up, and it shouldn't come off. And now, we got our nice seat. So you have a couple options. It's definitely nice and soft. You can lean back and you can lay in it. Sit up and the backrest comes up. Sit up again and the foot goes down. So for you guys to see it better, just lean back. The footrest comes up. Lean back the whole way, and the whole thing almost flattens out. Sit up, the back comes up. Sit up again, push down with your feet on the leg rest, and you're good to go. So here is up close view. Overall, I like it.